IVR numbers are used in your NowReach system to route calls to different phone numbers or hunt groups. It offers the caller options for where they would like to be routed. To access the IVR configuration, navigate to Function Numbers, then IVR Numbers. You can either select an existing IVR number, or you can click on the New IVR Number hyperlink. You will need to enter the name of the IVR. Then enter a phone number in the number field, or you can click on the List Available Numbers link and select a number from the list. You can leave the Add Billings ID and extension dialing as is. You can select the pre-configured voice prompt from the drop-down selection. Please see the voice prompts training segment for more information on how to configure voice prompts. If you would like the data of the IVR to display on transferred calls, then select Preserve Metadata from Diverted Call. For example, when a caller selects option 1, which is sales, then the user receiving the transferred call will see sales on their softphone. Please do not change the What code identifies this function number when using Feature Codes field, as this is set up in the build process. Under the barring section, select the No International option. This will ensure that calls cannot be diverted to international numbers and secures your phone system. You can now enter a number, or select the PIC link, and select a number to route the call to when a caller presses that selection. As an example, if the caller presses 1, the call will route to sales. Click on the Save button to save the IVR numbers configuration.